I turn on the faucet and let the water run. Repeat after me. I turn on the faucet and let the water run. I pour dish soap on the pan. Repeat after me. I pour dish soap on the pan. I scrub the greasy pan. Repeat after me. I scrub the greasy pan. I rinse the soap off the pan. Repeat after me. I rinse the soap off the pan. I dry the pan on the rack. Repeat after me. I dry the pan on the rack. I scrape the leftover grease into the trash. Repeat after me. I scrape the leftover grease into the trash. I wipe the shelf to remove the dust. Repeat after me. I wipe the shelf to remove the dust. I stack up the pans to tidy up. Repeat after me. I stack up the pans to tidy up. I see dirty rags in the kitchen. Repeat after me. I see dirty rags in the kitchen. I'm standing outside with the dirty rags. Repeat after me. I'm standing outside with the dirty rags. I fill the basin with water. Repeat after me. I fill the basin with water. I soak the rags in the water. Repeat after me. I soak the rags in the water. I scrub the rags with a brush. Repeat after me. I scrub the rags with a brush. I wring the rags to remove the water. Repeat after me. I wring the rags to remove the water. I hang up the rags on the clothesline. Repeat after me. I hang up the rags on the clothesline. I hang the sign on the door. Repeat after me. I hang the sign on the door.